Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel All in One. So today we will do the unboxing of Galaxy A6 Plus. So let's start. Plus, this is amazing phone, Galaxy A6 Plus Infinity. In this phone you you will get the infinity display, dual rear camera, 24 megapixel front camera and 15.36 centimeter full rectangle curved corners, rounded corners, and 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, back camera, and 24 megapixel front camera. 4 GB RAM in this phone, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB memory, and 3500 mAh battery with a fingerprint sensor and face recognition. So this phone is amazing. I loved it. So let's do its unboxing. So let's open. Smooth. So guys, ये रहा Samsung A6 Plus. So guys, ऑन कर देते हैं. पूरा Samsung. Very nice look. Starting. So guys, our phone is ready. So guys, I loved this phone personally. This look is amazing, and so let's check now camera of this phone. So guys, as you can see, the camera is very clear, and you can do this. So guys, in this camera we find photo, live focus, pro, panorama, video, continuous shot, boots. Photo. So let's take a photo. And so guys, this is the picture. As you can see, it is very clear. So you can see that the picture is very clear, as you can see. So let's see the settings. So here you get the settings, software update, accessories, apps, device, care, and so on. So guys, this is amazing phone. If you are thinking to buy a new phone, believe me, this phone is amazing, and only in 25,600. Will make with this phone. So let's start. So guys, this part of the video I am making with the new phone. So tell me in the comments the difference in the previous video, in the previous part of the video and this part of the video. So guys, if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and like this video, share, download, comment, and the very important thing, to subscribe my channel.